Dear all students, welcome in your MinCat PC channels. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the real Wipro exam paper. 100% genuine exam papers that you will get same as during the Wipro exam. In this exam, the test is Wipro BILP test. The test is Wipro BILP test. Total number of question is 61. Total number of time duration is 80 minutes. Maximum marks is 400. Look at here. Test start and test end date is here. Okay. Now, the first section you will get the quantitative aptitude. In this round, 20 question asked by the Wipro technology. Give the 20 minutes to solve this, and after the next round and next round and next round, what will be happened, all of you have the patience and look at the video at the end. So the first question is belonging from the quantitative aptitude. In this session has 20 question. Each question carries 5 marks for the correct and 0 marks for the wrong answer. When you give the correct answer, then you get the 5 marks positive and 0 marks on the wrong answers. Means there is no any negative marking. The first question from the quantitative aptitude, that belonging from the time and work, that is belonging from the time and work. And the second question, the answer of this question is 15 days. Answer of this question is 15 days. A is the right option. Now the second question is belonging from the pipe and cistern, and the right answer of this question is 30 hours. Right option of this question is 30 hours. Now the third number questions, that is belonging from the time and work also, and this have the right option is C, 6 days. Right option is C. Now the fourth number question, that is belonging from the least number which is divided by 6, 9, LCM and SCF. There is also the right option of this question is D, 182. Right option of this question is 182. And the next question is 5 number questions. When the piece of a car reduced by 20% again in the price and car's profit and loss. This question is belonging from the profit and loss. Time and work, profit loss, LCM, SCM is the most important topic for the Wipro exam. The right option of this question is 4% loss. Option number A is the right option. 6 number question, ratio and proportion. 6 number question have the ratio and proportion, and the right option of this question is B, 24 years. The 7th number question is belonging from the problem on train. The right option of this question is 24. Option number A is the right option. And the 8th number question, is belonging from the percentage. So the right option of this question is option number A is the right option of this question. So 9th number question, that is belonging from the rhombus se, that is find the area of rhombus. The right option of this question is B, 240 centimeter square. The option number 10 is the simplification, and the right option of this question is D, 30 upon 37. And the 11 number question is belonging from SI, simple interest, and the right option of this question is C, 33 1/3%. And the 12 number question is asked from the average. I think maximum topic is covered from the aptitude round. So if you want to crack the Wipro exam, then all of you must watch this video. And how many important chapters is including in this paper, that you should start your best preparations. It's my guarantee you will certainly crack the Wipro will either a Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt exam. The 12 number question have the right option is A, 15.5 years. 13 number question is belong from the boat and stream. Boat and stream is also a most important questions. The right option of this question is A. And the 14 number question, fraction, nominator and denominator, that means number system. The right option of this question is C, 7/9. And 15 number question, once again, ratio and proportion. The right option of this question is C, 21:8. 16 number question, find the average speed time distance. This question belong from the chapter speed time and distance. The right option of this question is C. And the 17 number question is also belong from the profit and loss, because here the question is talking about the expenditure. So this also belong from the profit and loss. And the right option of this question is D, 2400. 18 number question, formula based question. All of you can do this because this is very easy question. And the right option of this question is B, 21.5. And the 19 number question is also too much easy. All of you can get this because this question from the science stream. So the right option of the 19 number question is B, 3/4. And the 20 number question is time taker question. And the right option of this question is B. B is the right option of this question. Now the second verbal round is going to start. In this round, Wipro ask the 20 question from the verbal English. And this round is easy round, medium level round. So if your communication skills is good, your grammar is good, then you can easily get the good score in this section. So all of you can read this statement, and after that you look at the first number question. The answer of the first number question is C. And the second number question, passage based question. And the right option of this question is B. The third number question is also based on the previous passage. So the right option of this question is B. Fourth is also based on same. And the right option of the fourth number question is D, from. Fifth number question is also belong from the same passage. And the right option of this question is A. Right option of this question is A. And the sixth number question, choose the word which is most nearly the antonyms in the meaning similar word, antonyms. The right option of this question is B. And the 7th number question have the right option, that is B. And the 8th number question asking from the jumbles, and the right option of this question is B. Now the next question, ninth number question, choose the correct word to fill in the blanks. The right option of this question is B. And the next number 10 number question, opposite word, antonyms, that means antonym of this highlighted word is 10 number question, right option is B. And 11th number question ask from the passive voice, active voice and passive voice. The right option of the 11 number question is B. And 12 number question have the right option C. 13 number question have the right option is A. 14 number question ask the synonyms, and the best synonyms of the 14 number question is C. And 15 number question have the right option, that is C. That is C. And the next 16 number question have the right option, this is also fill in the blanks, that is C, part with. The 17 number questions says choose the most appropriate answer and fill in the blanks. The right option of the 17 number question is A, between. And the 18 number question have the right option, that is A. And the 19 number question have the right option, that is C. And the 20 number question have the right option, that is D. That is C. Now the next reasoning round is going to start. Reasoning round also have the 20 question and 20 minute. So everyone follow this pattern and start your preparation for the Wipro technology. It's my guarantee, if you will follow this pattern, then certainly you get the placement in the Wipro technology. The first reasoning question, the right option of this question is B. This is a very easy question. The pressure is measured by the barometer. So what odometer will measure? The odometer will measure the distance. And the second number question from the reasoning, odd man odd out. The right option of the second number question is B. Now the third number question have the right option. This question belong from the blood relation. So the right option of the question number 3 is A. The fourth question is asked from the direction, that have the right option, that is C. And now the fifth number question, select the missing word. The right option of this question is D. And the next sixth number question, problem on letter. The right option of this question is A. I hope this is very easy question. You can only find that 2 2 3 3 4 4 pair and you can get the answer of this question. Now the right option of the seventh number question. That is C. And the eighth number question have the right option, coding decoding, that is B. And now the ninth number question, that have the right option is C. The 10 number question have the right option coding and decoding. The right option of the 10th number question is A. Now the 11th number question have the right option, that is C. And the 12th number question is very easy question. The right option of the 12th number question is B. And the 13th number question is also too much easy, but it is a time taker. So remember in your mind, if a question which have the time taker, then you don't waste your time in this question. And the right option of the 13 number question is A. The right option of the 14 number question is C. And the 15 number question from the coding and decoding, the right option of the 15 number question is D. Now the 16 number question is asked from the calendar, and the right option of the 16 number question is B. And the 17 number question is also a time taking question, but if you have a trick, then you can solve the very easily. So the right option of the 7th number question is D. And the now 18 number question is easy question, so the right option of the 18 number question is C. The 19 number question have the right option, that is C. The 20 number last question of the third section reasoning round have the right option, that is D. And this question belong from the something blood relation. Interchange the correct the question. Okay. So the right option of the 20 number question is D. Now all of you listen one things. If you will crack these 3 rounds, then you will get the bet round. Other you will not get the bet round. If you will crack the aptitude, quantitative aptitude, verbal English and reasoning round, then you get a topic that is called the bet round, have the 20-minute, and the question topic is the pros and cons of the online retail. First of all, you should look at this topic and make your strategy to write the best essay. And how you can write the bet round, that's video I am already uploaded on my YouTube channels, and I hope all of you must watch this video and follow the rule and write the better essay for the Wipro technology exam. So one more things, the bet round is not a common round, this is a most mandatory round. So all of you keep it in your minds. Everybody focus on the bet. If you have mistakes during the bet writing, then certainly you get the rejection from the Wipro technology. So if you want to selection, then you should must think about the bet and start the writing according to my video. Certainly you will get the offer from the Wipro technology. Everybody have a nice day and a nice night. Have a best luck with us.